ito, boss, anong say mo kay Elon at Trump? Magbabati na sila. Yung huling nakita ko ba, mukhang sabi ni Elon Musk, medyo he regretted some of the things that he tweeted nung galit na galit siya. Si Trump, nag-mellow down na rin. So, sooner or later, they'd be fine. Kasi both of them are lalo na si Trump, actually, kala nung iba kasi sobrang ni Trump, sobrang hindi di ko alam kung anong iniisip nila, pero Trump is actually very very forgiving to a lot of people. Pero he's also very vicious sa mga kaaway niya. Don't make no mistake. Pag kaaway ka niya, talagang he's gonna be very vicious to you. Pero pag nakita niya that there's a window, lalo na kung katulad ka ni Elon Musk na may pakinabang siya, 'di ba? If he can turn you into an ally, he will do that. He's open to that. 'Di ba sinasabi niya nga, he doesn't believe in forever wars. He doesn't believe in having enemies forever. Pero he would need to see na hindi mo siya ibebetray, 'di ba? Kasi ang proof niyan, ultimate proof niyan is his vice president, si J.D. Vance. J.D. Vance used to call Donald Trump Hitler. He's one of those people, one of the conservatives na hindi gusto si Trump. Sinatawag niya na Hitler si Trump. And yet, Trump picked him as his running mate, and now vice president siya. If that doesn't prove na he's very capable of forgiving, then I don't know what to tell you, 'di ba? And madami niyan, yung mga dating kaaway niya, sina Meghan Kelly, 'di ba? Si Marco Rubio, 'di ba? Nag-aaway sila dati nung kumakandidato sila sa sa primary, nung tawag niya si Little Marco ata, parang gano'n. Si Marco Rubio ngayon, state secretary niya si Marco Rubio, 'di ba? So, kaya niyang gawin 'yon. So, for somebody like Elon Musk, hindi nakakagulat kung mag-reconcile sila soon.